In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bio to your profile on Telegram, step by step. Adding a bio helps people know more about you, whether you're using Telegram for personal chats, business, or building an online presence. This works on both mobile and desktop, and it only takes a minute. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner and click on the sandwich menu button, which is the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can manage your profile and account preferences. Inside Settings, look for the Edit option near your profile information and click on the Edit button. Now you'll see different fields you can change, including your name, username, and bio section. Tap on the bio field and type in the bio you want to display on your Telegram profile. You can write a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you want people to see when they visit your profile. After typing your bio, click on the tick mark or save button to confirm the changes. That's it. Your Telegram bio is now updated and visible on your profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.